hear that? This is a 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with the Ram Air, powered by a 351 Cleveland. If you want to find out more information on this bad boy, be sure to click on the link below. Let's do a full walk around, test drive, throw it in the air, and let you decide if this is the right car for you. We're going to start off with the overall condition. I'd rate this easily a 8.5 to 9 out of 10. It has minor imperfections, but this is a frame-off rotisserie restored car. It does have an M code 351. Paint shows extremely well. We will show you the imperfections that are visible on the exterior. I want you to look at our gallery. So you're going to see underside shots. You're going to see us take it for a test drive right now. And look at our reviews. We have 100% positive feedback. We've sold over 1,500 cars in 10 years, all sight unseen, 95% sight unseen. I'm going to open up the hood right now. So you pop these hood latches. Hood opens up easily. So there's your 351. It does have Ram Air. It does have a Phi-Tech fuel injection system, so it's essentially a carburetor that has a computer that tells it how much fuel to put in there. It does have aluminum heads, does have a cam. We'll have the whole entire breakdown of what's done to this motor in our description. So click on the link below, you'll be able to see that. The air is actually ice cold. Brand new battery, and it's been completely serviced by the boys at Interstate Supercars. The hood is extremely clean, and look at the underside shots if you have a moment. So here's the air cleaner. People are gonna be like, oh, it's not even. Well, that's because it seals up with the actual hood, and there's valves here that will open up when you go full throttle, so it allows it to have air forced into the intake. You're gonna see the aluminum heads right there. You see how they're aluminum. On both sides. It does have headers as well, and they sound amazing. There's your condenser for your air condition, and all the lights work as they should. It's easy to close the hood. And then to close this, you just go like that, good to go. Driver's side is extremely clean, body is straight. All your graphics are very nice, your Mach 1 emblems right here. Wheels and tires are in great shape, so you have your pony wheels with your BF Goodrich tires and the signature Mach 1 spoiler up front. Chrome is very, very nice on this car. I did see a minor imperfection right here in the black. You're gonna see a small bubble, and then a small chip right here in the door. Interior is extremely clean. Door cards are red, interior is red with black outlining. You've got your Ford door sill panel right here. Carpet's extremely nice, it's been replaced. And all your glass does go up and down easily, so you can roll it up. All your felts are nice. It's a really clean car. The best part about it is when you jump inside there, you put the ignition on, let it sit for about 8 seconds because the computer has to turn on. And it fires off like that every time. I'm gonna leave it running while we go to the back. Tires have about 95% tread, 3,000 miles on the restoration. Listen to how good that sounds. It's like it's breathing. Let me shut it off. Quarter panels are nice. Let me get the key for the trunk too. So with this purchase, you're gonna get full documentation. The Marty report, oh, it's right here. The Marty report. Breakdown. So this is a one of one that had the convenience group. That's pretty cool. Marty report. Original sticker. Well, it's a replica of this original sticker. And then you do have all of the restoration photos, which is really nice. So you have all of that right there. There's the engine when they rebuilt it. Motor getting done. That's before they did the aluminum heads, it looks like. Body work, and there's another book right here as well with more documentation. You're gonna see all of this in our gallery. Very cool. Let's go to the passenger side. Wing is tight. I see a small hairline crack right here. I love the louvers. Reminds me of the Interceptor from Mad Max, but obviously this is a Ford product, and that was a Ford product too. When you look down the passenger side, it shows very well. See how nice it is, door panels are nice. Nice and solid here, and the interior looks just as good as it does on the driver's side. Rear seats are nice, and the headliner is very clean too. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. You can hear the fuel pump running, so it has a Phi-Tech system. You don't have to have this plugged in, so this is just to monitor everything that's going on. I just leave it off and I put it in the glove box. I just wanted to showcase that. Right now, I'm about to turn on the good stuff. It's 95 degrees here in Florida, and we've got ice cold air. Interior is really nice. When you open up the door, you have the lights that operate. You can see the louvers back here and the seats that do fold down. Glove box is clean. Does have an aftermarket stereo as well. And it works as it should. We'll leave that off. Our wipers work. Lights work. Dash lights look like they work. Lighter. It's been used before, but I'm pretty sure that every car from the 70s someone smoked. You've got your ashtray right here, and then your shifter. So it's a C6 transmission. Shifts nicely. What I like about it, this air condition, is it's a factory AC compressor. So this car was set for air conditioning. Runs smoothly. Let's test out the brakes. We're going about 15 miles an hour. I'm going to press them. We're not pulling. Hopefully the air condition sounds not too loud. I'll lower it a little bit, put it on the lower setting. You have a glove box here. Steering feels good. You can hear the fuel pump. When you give it gas, you can hear it ask for more fuel. It's pretty neat. We'll test out the car once it gets to operating temperature. Right now it's cold. We've got good oil pressure and the alternator is charging. You get your Mach 1 badging in the center. These are the next up-and-comers for Mustangs, because in the 70s they didn't really produce many cars that were essentially cool. But this one, the body lines are amazing. You can still put down the power because it has a 9-inch if you want to go and do some modifications, which this does have plenty of modifications. Aluminum heads, cam, roller rockers, the list goes on. We're going to go underneath 95 or stay at 84 and then jump west and we'll test it out. All right, let's see if the sprayer works. Sprayer works. That's great. I haven't seen a classic car with a sprayer work for a long time. Also, looking at this trailer right here, if you guys need transport, we can assist with that. We could ship worldwide. Just give us your port of entry or your zip code and we can get you a quote within 24 hours, usually faster. We can also build that into the cost. So say you're financing it with one of our great lenders. We have 3 of them on our site. We can build the actual shipping cost into the financing if you want to. They usually do 10 to 20% down. Really easy to work with. As long as you have good credit and a constant pay, you're good to go. Right now we're at a red light. We'll open it up a little bit when we get past it so you can see how it runs. We're going to take a left here and we'll test it out once we get straight. I would say this motor probably produces 330, 340 horsepower. Very healthy, it's peppy, the transmission's nice, it shifts evenly. Overall, a very nice car, and when you look underneath it, you can eat off the bottom of it. If you have any questions about this car or any of our inventory, we keep around 50 in stock. Just give us a call at 954-363-2261. We're taking some curves right here. Nice and smooth, no banging from the suspension. Some big bumps right here, no rubbing. Overall, it drives very nice. Steering's not all over the place, the steering's tight. We'll turn left here, get some outside shots, and help you guys decide if this is the right 1971 Ford Mach 1 for you. Once again, if you have any questions at all, if you need additional photos, or if you want to just find out more information on how the process of financing and transporting works, you can reach out to us via email or give us a call at 954-363-2261. Okay, so let's test out the acceleration. Rolling. Not bad. When you let off the gas, it actually like burbles. You can hear it pop. That was 65 miles an hour, extremely smooth. If you have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Let's get an outside shot. Guys, thanks for watching. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers. Have a great day. See ya.